What's good, YouTube? It's your boy KingSupreme. Back on the video that we got Bird is the Word. 15 minutes of Larry Legend highlights. Now, if y'all new here, welcome to the channel, homies. Appreciate y'all for tuning into the KingSupreme gang. Back with another video, back with another reaction. Today, we got that boy Larry Bird all day. My favorite player of all time. Back in this bitch with another reaction, dog. You feel me? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, bro. Y'all have been giving me so many cool, crazy cool reactions to get to. NBA legends, sports, just everything in general, bro. Y'all really, I always tell y'all, let me know what I should react to next, you feel me? Because I want to know what y'all, what y'all like me reacting to, what y'all don't like me reacting to, whatever. And y'all been giving me so much cool ideas, bro. I would never have found this video out if it wasn't for y'all in the comments. I saw this one was requested. Bird is the Word, 15 minutes of Larry Legend highlights. Yeah, you already know I'm down to get to this stuff, bro. I am addicted to watching this stuff, so I am so excited to get to this one, bro. I'm not gonna talk your head up. I'm gonna get straight into this goodness. Please let me know what I should react to next, as y'all have been doing, which I do really appreciate. Thank y'all for the support. Thank y'all for the love. Road to 100K. We're gonna get straight into this one. Let's get straight into it. Let's go.
Well, everybody's heard about the bird.
Let's see. Ooh. Damn. Sheesh. Bro, I'm telling y'all, bro, if y'all don't know about Larry Bird, this will give y'all a good implication, No, that's crazy. Y'all see that? I could literally watch this dude forever, bro. I'm telling y'all, dog. He was too nice with it. Thank y'all for putting me on to this one, bro. And I know y'all don't hear the audio, bro. It's because, YouTube is crazy with copyright, so I had to take out the audio. So, my bad about that, bro. But we here for Larry Legend. I really don't give a fuck about the music, bro. I'm here for the show. Oh, my gosh. Did y'all see the foul? Fuck. Please let me know what videos I should get to next, bro. Because there's so much more I want to get to and need to get to. Oh, my. I said, bro, in my other video the other day, bro, best all-around player of all time, easily, dog. Not even a question. Not even a question. The passing, the rebounding, the defense. People sleep on his underrated ass defense, too. Ooh, behind the back down court. Oh my, did he just airball that? But to see one of his games live was probably one of the best things, dog. Oh my gosh. His hustle was on a different level. Every game he was out there going crazy. Oh, the buzzer beater. Too nice with it. Put down below in the comments, what is your favorite play by Larry Bird, bro? He had so many different ones, so I know it's hard, bro, but just looking at these highlights, bro, I'm just in complete amazement and just mesmerized by how this dude was playing, and not only but how he made his teammates better as well. I gotta respect that. You guys too. Whew. Mine had to be, bro, probably his one against the Pistons when he stole the ball from IT and shot it at the last second. Had to be probably my favorite play of all time from him. His game was just so smooth. Mmm. Mmm. This nigga was on timing. Look at the defense. Look at the defense. That's what I'm talking about. People, how could you stop this team, bruh? Oh. This shit is so tough, bro. I'm telling you, bro. My bad again. My bad. The audio. I'm gonna still have some music playing in the background, but there was gonna be copyright if I would have played this shit. So, but there's still gonna be music in the background for you. I'm just gonna edit it in. Like, he made the hardest shit look so easy, bro. If that makes sense. He might have been one of the best passers of all time, bruh. Up there with Stockton and them. And the fact that he could still drop 30 on your head while getting 15 plus assists is crazy. And his 3-point range. This the type of shit you love to see, man. Ooh, that's... Dude, it's so... Nigga, some of the shit I'm watching, bro, a person should not be able to do this shit, but he's somehow doing it and making it look easy, dog. I'm just being honest, bro. And I'm not glazing, bro. I'm not, obviously he's one of my favorite player of all time, but I'm saying this because I'm calling it how it is, bro. He's just that fucking good. And I love how he's so unapologetic about it. That's why he always talk this shit. Shit. I could watch hours of this shit, bro. Fucking amazing. Ooh, nice steal. Ooh. And he had a bunch of great game winners as well. Like, he was so clutch. Ooh. That's why he's the GOAT. You see this? Buzzer beater. The amount of game winners and buzzer beaters he had too needs to be studied, bruh. Anybody who calls Larry not clutch, anybody who calls Larry not clutch, you're a bitch. Because you know you're lying. Like, look at this shit. That was against the Blazers? Damn. Put down below in the comments what's your favorite game winner from him as well. Because he had a lot of them, as we know. Look at his face, bro. He like, I know I'm that nigga. He like, I know I'm the shit. It's another one of his game winners? Yes, yup. I'm telling you, bro. Larry knew he was the shit. Dog, see the respect IT, bruh. I ain't gonna lie, we would know. IT had more respect for Larry Bird than Jordan. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Nigga knew he was the GOAT. Ooh. The hustle plays, dog. Like, you gotta love, like, to play with a person like Bird, bro. You just knew you was gonna get fed the ball. You knew you was gonna get the most amazing opportunities. All you had to do was deliver, bro. Because Larry was gonna put it in the perfect spot for you every time. You just had to deliver. Just had to run the floor and just let Larry do his magic. Look at what he is doing to. Look at what he's doing. The majority of this, again, we've watched a lot of Larry Bird videos. We watched a good amount. Most of these highlights I haven't even seen before, bruh. This is rare. This is a rare ass video. Oh, nice pass. Shot fake, nice. Bro, that's. I'm just trying to understand, like, how he's doing half of this shit, bruh. We're already almost through the video. Like, this seems like it's been 2 minutes, bro. Like, when I'm watching Larry Bird, bro, I'm locked in. I can't get enough of this. The score and the three-pointer, right? But what's really getting me is the crazy passes I'm saying. I'm pretty sure we watched a passing highlights video of Bird, but the passes in this one, bro, are absolutely bonkers, as I just said. Like, doing a pump the fake. Oh my gosh. Nice shot fake. He was just toying with them. Nice. Passing from the ground. Nice D. Oh, he literally put it all on the line every night. That boy too nice. The best to ever do it. Man, you gotta love shit like this. Shit like this just puts a smile to my face, man. Like, it really do, man. It makes me happy, bruh. Makes me smile. Oh. Obviously we love his scoring, but what's getting the best thing in this video to me is his passes and the hustle plays. Like when he's diving out of bounds trying to fight for a loose ball. That's one of the best things about this video right here. With the assist from the ground from half court. There you go. Here it is. This is my bed. There it is. Let's go. Let's go. A fucking GOAT. That right there. Let me know what your favorite play of him was all time. Oh, nice pass. But that was my favorite one. The inbounds play, the infamous inbounds play. Dog, did he just throw a full? I know they was on the court like, bro, this dude gotta be a damn wizard, bro. There's no way this nigga's doing all this shit, bro. I would have been on the court like, what the fuck is this nigga even on? How is he this good? Like, this nigga is doing, this nigga is on some other shit. Fucking gold. An amazing video. Hope y'all enjoyed this one, bro. Oh my gosh, I could watch this shit all day. Oh my gosh. Literally a legend in the flesh, bro. Like, look at this. Like, he was yamming on niggas too. You see the dunk? Look at my dog Larry yamming on these niggas, dog. Look at this shit, bruh. Huh. Look at this. Look at them guys yamming on these niggas. He was about that life. Oh my gosh. Fucking gold, bro. Fucking gold. This video was fucking gold. Nothing less, bro. Dog, that video was absolutely bonkers. That was such an amazing video, bro. I'm just being honest with you. I'm just being real. That was such an amazing video. From start to finish, the highlights, like I said, what got me the most about it, let me know about y'all, but what got me the most was his passes and the hustle plays when he's on the court, on the ground, throwing balls, throwing passes behind his head to the person out front, throwing half-court passes, throwing full-court passes, diving in the crowd, trying to save loose balls. That was amazing, dog. Hope you enjoyed that video. Let me know what other videos you want to see next. Y'all the ones that put me onto that one, so I appreciate y'all for that. Road to 100K, some more videos will drop very, very soon. Just keep putting down below in the comments what videos you want to see next. You already know I'm going to get more tomorrow. My dog Larry Bird, my favorite player of all time. I can't get enough of this content, bro. It's so addicting to watch, so amazing. So I'm going to keep getting into y'all. Thank y'all for everything. Thank y'all for all the love. And yeah, bro, like, comment, subscribe, share for more videos. It's your boy King Supreme. We out of this bitch.